Hey there, my name is Thomas Frank, and for about the past 2 years, I've been using this little program called Notion to, well, kind of run my entire business. A lot of people think of Notion as a note-taking tool, and while it works pretty well for that purpose, it can do a heck of a lot more. In my business, we use it as a project tracker to see the status of every kind of project we're working on, along with a big editorial calendar so we can see when our blog posts, our podcasts, and our YouTube videos are going live. We also use it as a content archive so we can go back and see who was the sponsor on one video, or let's get a little detail from a script on another video. And we also use it as a knowledge base in a company wiki, so people on my team can go through articles that teach them how to do common processes. I can reference things that I may have forgotten, and we can generate copies of checklists for those common processes. Notion is an incredibly powerful tool that I've come to think of almost as a graphical programming language. You can use the templating features, the database features, the powerful filtering and sorting criteria, all these building blocks to essentially create software that lets you do what you need to do. However, all these tools and the way in which they interact can be kind of complex and difficult to learn. And more important, it can be difficult to set them up in such a way that you can run your business and use Notion as sort of one tool to rule them all. But over 2 years of tinkering, experimenting, and using it as a day-to-day workhorse, that is exactly what we've achieved. Notion for us now is a project manager, a content archive, and a knowledge base. I used to have to use many different tools for all these purposes. Now I use one. And if you want to learn how to do the exact same thing, I am building a course for people like you, people like me, people who create things, people who run businesses. So if you're a solopreneur doing things by yourself, or if you're even working with a team like I am now, if you want to use Notion to improve the efficiency of your business processes and even your creative process, I think you're going to find this course really useful. It's not ready yet, but I have a little interest link down below where you can sign up and get on a notification list for when it will come out. And I'm also going to do a beta version of the course for a limited group of people that'll go live before the main one, and also probably be a little bit cheaper as well. I've been a beta student for a course in the past, and I found it really helpful to be one of the people who got to influence the direction of the content and get my questions answered early on. So if that's something you're interested in, there's gonna be a little survey after the subscription confirmation where you can tell me what your pain points are in Notion, what you're looking to do with it, and a limited number of the people who fill out that survey will have the opportunity to get on the beta version of the course. Either way, I'm excited to build this course, and I'm excited to hear from you as well.